My name is Kyle Theriot. I'm the Director of Vineyard Operations here at the Monte Bello estate in the Santa Cruz Mountains. We are picking Chardonnay today, as well as some Cabernet Franc and some Cabernet Sauvignon. So this has been a very long growing season. We're about a month behind, so we are now in a stage where we're trying to pick everything we can. The fruit quality is fantastic. There's lots of strong acidity, which will be good for putting down these wines. Finding that balance of phenological maturity, sugar, and acid is going to be the trick this year.
Trester Goetting, winemaker at Ridge Monte Bello, and kind of an exciting day up here on the mountain. We have an array of things coming in for multiple blocks. Lots of fruit, lots of exciting action today, and we've really got these amazing flavors, beautiful balance. I'm expecting some incredible wines this year.
I'm Paul Draper, chairman of Ridge Vineyards. I was winemaker, CEO for like 55 years. In my 50-some years, this is the most unusual vintage I've ever seen. We had twice as much rain as normal. We had cold temperatures, so it put off the harvest. The mature Cabernet is just beginning to come on, and so it looks good. We're hoping that we have a good vintage, but it's not over, and that's Mother Nature.